Cracking the code of the Earth's hidden treasures, the gradient method. Join us on a thrilling journey as we explore the groundbreaking gradient method for unearthing geochemical anomalies. No metal detector needed. Experience the excitement of identifying hidden veins of precious minerals faster than a GPS locates your favorite coffee shop. Discover how this innovative technique turns every geologist into a modern-day Sherlock Holmes, detecting clues from Mother Earth's diary. With this method, your odds of striking geological gold may just graduate from delusional dreamer levels to almost probable levels. You may even start referring to anomalies the way hipsters talk about finding rare vinyl records at the thrift store. The gradient method may not help you win a game of Minesweeper, but it will surely sweep the mines, literally. So put on your Indiana Jones hats, bonus points for the whip, and get ready to transform the crust of the Earth into your personal treasure map. Adventure, explosions of knowledge, and a touch of impulsive treasure hunting await.